So this week we're doing our 3D printing camp. So the students are learning 3D modeling and 3D design. We'd like to thank Chevron for continuing to sponsor STEM Nola activities in our summer camps. So we want to be able to give the students the ability to take the ideas that are in their head and actually turn them into reality. So we want the students to be able to learn about modeling and also about printing and fabrication techniques.
Pokemon, and his name is Mudkip. The process was, there was a build challenge that we did, was to try to make any character out of like squares and only squares. So I made him out of just squares. Like I made a square, I resized it into the arms, and then I resized it into the body, and then the head, then the eyes, the like little, I don't know what it's called, the legs, and then the little antlers.
Length, offset, ray number, ray rotate.
I know how to do it. You can make as many as you want. Did it. It made me feel good because I thought I was gonna mess it up at first, but then when I did it, I felt better about myself. And 2 cylinders. You put the cylinder inside the cylinder. You put a hole on it, right? Like put the cylinder here, and you make a hole, and you gotta get a square and make the square flat and like long enough for it, as thick as you want, and you put it together as a whole, and it makes this, and you gotta put the name on it, and there you go, and you have it now.